How to change language on Chat GPT. So first of all, open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Chat GPT. And on the first search, you will have openai.com. Click on that, and then you will have Try Chat GPT option. Click on Try Chat GPT, and after logging into your Chat GPT, just on this white space, right click on it, and then click on Translate to English, and then here you will have your language settings. So here you can simply click on the three dots, and then you can click on choose another language, choose any language that you would like, and after choosing a particular language, then you can click on translate. And that's it guys, that's how you change your language in ChatGPT. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.